In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up space in Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. If your Yahoo inbox is getting full or you're constantly seeing storage warnings, the biggest reason is usually emails with large attachments like photos, PDFs, or videos. Instead of deleting emails one by one, there's a much faster way to find the biggest emails and remove them in bulk. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to locate large attachments, select multiple emails at once, and delete them so you can free up storage in just a few minutes. This method works directly inside Yahoo Mail and doesn't require any extra tools. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to your Yahoo Mail account. You can do this by visiting mail.yahoo.com and signing in with your Yahoo email and password. Once you're inside your inbox, you'll see your normal email interface with folders on the left and messages in the center. This is where we'll start cleaning up storage. The easiest way to free up space is by finding emails that contain large attachments. At the top of Yahoo Mail, click on the search bar and look for the filter that allows you to search for emails with attachments or large files. When you run this search, Yahoo will display emails that contain bigger attachments, which are usually the main reason your mailbox storage fills up. Now that the results appear, you'll likely see multiple emails that include documents, images, or other files. Instead of deleting them one at a time, you can select multiple emails quickly using the checkboxes on the left side of each message. Simply tick the checkbox beside each email you want to remove. If you want to speed things up, you can select several messages in a row so they can all be deleted together. After selecting the emails, take a quick moment to review them and make sure they are safe to remove. This step is important because deleting emails with attachments will permanently remove those files unless they are saved somewhere else. Once you're sure, you can proceed with the cleanup. At the top of the email list, you'll see a trash can icon. This is the delete button. Click on the delete icon and Yahoo Mail will immediately move all the selected emails into the trash folder. This action removes them from your inbox and helps free up space in your mailbox storage. If you want to free up even more space right away, you can also open the trash folder and permanently empty it. And that's it. That's how you clean up space in Yahoo Mail by quickly finding and deleting emails with large attachments. It's one of the fastest ways to free storage and keep your inbox organized. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.